Welcome to Benaka. Presenting our refurbished transport ventilator designed for portability, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. Refurbished transport ventilators deliver the same advanced functionality as new models, but at a significantly lower cost, making it the smart choice for your healthcare facility. Each unit is expertly refurbished by our team of technicians. We perform comprehensive testing, parts replacement, and calibration to ensure the ventilator operates at its highest level of performance. Our refurbished transport ventilators are built to perform in emergency and transport settings, providing consistent, reliable respiratory support when it matters most. Designed for mobility, these transport ventilators are lightweight, compact, and easy to operate, making them ideal for emergency transport or patient transfers within and outside the hospital. Our refurbished transport ventilators come equipped with essential features such as adjustable ventilation modes, real-time monitoring, and alarm systems to ensure patient safety during transport. Providing high-quality, reliable ventilation doesn't have to come with a high price tag. Benaka's refurbished transport ventilators give you the performance you need at a fraction of the cost. To ensure your peace of mind, every refurbished transport ventilator comes with a full warranty as well as ongoing technical support from our dedicated team. By choosing a refurbished ventilator, you are making an eco-conscious decision that helps reduce electronic waste and supports a more sustainable healthcare industry. Ready to enhance your transport capabilities? Contact Benaka today to learn more about our refurbished transport ventilators and how we can assist your healthcare facility.